How to get an invoice on Ryanair. Hi guys, welcome to another Ryanair tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get an invoice on Ryanair. Now, what's the first step? The first step is to log in into Ryanair using www.ryanair.com. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to Ryanair's page, you can see the logo by the top left corner. And then just below the logo, you can see a tab or an options or a tab here displaying options like flight, car hire, hotels, events, and activities. And then you can see the kind of trips are available. We have the return trip, we have the one-way trip, and then just below it, you can see where you're coming from, right, and then where you're heading to. And then once you can see all of this, they are at the top right side of the screen. So you see options like plan, my bookings, verifications, your account name, help option, country. Now on this page, for you to be able to get an invoice, you would have to pay for a flight, right? So to book for a flight, just come over here, click on the from and select where you're coming from, all right? And then once you've selected it, you have to select destination too. And after selecting destination, you have to select a date, that is a departure and then a return date, all right? So once you've clicked on it, you can see the dates are available. Just select the date available so that you won't have to keep on searching and searching for flight. And then you have to select the passenger. And then once you're done, click on search. And then once the flight has been searched for, you have to select a flight amongst the ones here. Go ahead and select the flight. And then once you're done with this flight selection stage, you'll be asked to select seats, then bags, then extras before you review and you pay. Now, after paying, a confirmation email will be sent to your email address. That confirmation email is your receipt or proof of purchase where you book a flight or add extras to your booking. All right. Note that Ryanair do not issue separate receipts or invoices, and no VAT applies to FS office when traveling on international journeys. So note that you cannot get a direct invoice from Ryanair. The only thing you can get from them is a confirmation email containing details about your flight. So that is it. That's how you can go about this. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.